Chocolates are a very popular product with the consumers, and as a result, global demand for cacao is increasing every year. However, the cocoa crops are facing a crisis of yield reduction and extinction due to climate change, pests, diseases, and cultivation techniques. Today, we will discuss the work being done around the world to deal with this crisis. Various measures are being taken around the world to make this food available for future generations. I learned that Brazil is developing two strategies to deal with this crisis. First, they are trying to develop a mixed agroforestry system. In this system, cacao are planted between grain crops, forage plants, and nut trees. Those mixed planting improve the water holding capacity by changing the root structure of the entire tree system. The second strategy is to establish the large cacao plantations in Bahia, Brazil, where they grow at a high altitude outside the traditional range of pests and diseases area, in full sunlight, while irrigating with fertilizer-rich water to obtain maximum productivity.
Having this in mind, various organizations and scientists have set a goal to prevent the extinction of cocoa by applying various aiding and prevention measures or researching ways of preventing this outcome. For example, a professor from the Pennsylvania State University is currently leading a research project to develop and implement a gene editing tool to genetically modify cocoa beans that could endure undesirable weather and diseases that will have an ideal environment to proliferate if the global temperature rises. Besides this project, various organizations are fighting current problems surrounding the cocoa farm industry. For example, the International Cocoa Foundation and the World Cocoa Foundation are aiding local farmers in multiple ways, such as fighting to eliminate child labor in the cocoa supply chain, ending cocoa-related deforestation, fighting climate change, improving the livelihoods of cocoa farmers, and implementing agroforestry programs for local farmers, aiming to promote good environmental practices by restoring forests and conserving natural resources. This program also supports farmers to increase their resilience to climate change by making soils healthier, keeping water in the ground, and strengthening cocoa trees' health against pests and diseases.
Also, there is a strategic plan agreed upon by the International Cocoa Foundation members, which contemplates the following priorities: improves the living, income, and working conditions of cocoa farmers, improve the environmental footprint of cocoa supply chain, implement and support nation cocoa development plans, increase local processing and manufacturing of cocoa countries, and cocoa-based products in producing countries, promote the consumption of cocoa-based products, and to establish a better connection between the agents of the cocoa supply chain. As we could see, with the help of organizations and measures to aid local farmers and the environment against climate change, and the advantages in the science and genetic studies, cocoa as a species can be salvaged from its forecasted extinction in the future.